My job is easy, but it's hard.
In this video, we're going to turn a 6.6 feet Toyota Granvia bus into a luxury space for our client. This is the 5th Cars Lux project for 2025. Once the bus arrived at the workshop, our team got to work. We started by taking out the seats and the rails that held the seats. Once we were done with the rails on top, we moved on to the bolts underneath the bus and took them out. Now the first wiring process starts. Then we moved to installing the custom floorboards. After making sure the first set of wirings were complete, we moved on to the starlights installation and installed 1,200 starlights on the roof of the bus. After that, we moved to installing custom floorboards for the bus. Once we were done with the second flooring layer, we moved on to installing rugs and then vacuuming. After vacuuming the bus, we installed the seats for the bus. These seats included the driver cabin seats, the VIP seats, and the entry seats. Driver cabin seats were upholstered to match the VIP seats in the back of the van. Entry and VIP captain seats that came with motorized buttons for forward and backward movement, foot and backrest with charging ports. Then the VIP captain seats, which were further customized to have buttons for the cooler, heater, massager, and inbuilt tray tables.
So that you fold it and leave this space in this valley, right? What do you think? Should we try this?
It will be like
Let's put the roof first.
Okay.
Let's put the roof first.
Okay.
Let me get a clearer picture of what it looks like with the roof intact.
Okay. Then we'll decide on this.
Then we'll now weigh, what's worth doing and what's
not.
to avoid.
Okay then.
Then we reupholstered the roof from black to beige. Cuts were of course made on the roof for the lights, then the roof and starlights were installed. With constant adjustments, we kept on modifying the bus to suit our clients' needs.
permanent one.
It's panels now. Panels will disconnect the cable and then. So should we not weld it? In case we change our minds that we don't like what it looks like. Let's not weld it. Let's just disconnect the cable and then from there we can weld. See, my job is easy, but it's hard. It's hard if you don't have experience, but it's easy when, I don't know, when it's just easy to me.
Finally, we installed the 19-inch smart TV and mini refrigerator with 2 cup holders, and this is what the final project looks like.